What you doing, Sean? We're getting ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
I like your cool hats.
Rawr.
Rawr. Hi, Ryan. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Is your brother attacking you? Ryan, get him back. Ryan, get him back.
I got it back.
Ryan, get him. So here's all our paraphernalia. Still getting it all together. Going to the beach. We got blankets, we got towels, we got diapers, we got wipes, we got sunscreen, shoes, sunglasses, dorky flop hats. Mom's in her swimsuit. We'll get the boys ready. Whoa! Yeah. Sean, what do you say? That's soothing. There we go. Okay, Mom's gonna come in now.